Hello, all. Welcome back to ARC's Market Update Podcast. I'm Saurabh Sasidharan, Customer Success Manager for ARC Advisory Group India. Today, we are unpacking ARC's latest analysis of the global level measurement devices. We will explore key technologies, market trends, and what buyers should know. Joining with me is the author of the report, Saket Kumar. So let's dive in. Hi, Saket.
Hi, Saurabh.
Saket, to start with, what is the scope of this level measurement market analysis?
Okay, so I have completed five level devices report, that is radar, hydrostatic, continuous ultrasonic, capacitance level, and total level devices. So the scope of this market analysis report presents a comprehensive overview of the global level measurement market with a specific focus on these four technology used across various industries. So each reports offers insights into market size, growth projections, regional dynamics, device types, and applications.
Thank you, Zaki. That gives our listener a full picture of how broad this study is. Let's talk about the supply landscape of this market.
Sure. So when considering the supplier landscape for level devices, we find several key players that stands out in this competitive market. Suppliers like ENH, Emerson Automation Solutions, Vega, Ametek, and Siemens. So these company have formally established themselves as a leaders not only in terms of market share, but also in their global reach.
Okay, so now let's dive into what's driving this market forward. Like, what are the growth factors for this market?
Sure, sir. Thank you for the good questions. So, level devices are experiencing growth driven by several key factors, like industrial automation, in which growing adoption of industrial Internet of Things, that is IoT, and smart sensors for real-time monitoring. Second, I would say water and wastewater infrastructures, in which municipal infrastructure in which investments in the APAC regions are increasing. Third, I would say safety and compliance, and other like technology innovation, like enhanced diagnostics and improved signal processing capabilities. So yeah, these are the growth factors.
Right. Saket, I must say that's a strong mix of regulatory, technological, and infrastructure-driven demand. But every industry, comes with challenges as well. So, what are the inhibiting factors that you want to point out on the level measurement market?
Yeah, so level measurement technology face several challenges, including intense competition among suppliers, leading to margin pressures and the need for cost-effective solutions in the emerging economies. So, other factors, I would say, economic volatility and fluctuating exchange rates, tariff conflicts, global supply chain disruptions, technology competition among different measurement methods. So yeah, these are the growth innovating factors.
Right. So, let's now switch from the inhibiting factors to the buyer's perspective. Like, what strategies would you recommend to a buyer evaluating the level measurement system?
Certainly, there are some strategy that I would like to recommend to a buyer. First is application assessment. So evaluate specific applications requirements, fluid characteristics, and environmental condition. Second, technology selections. So choose appropriate measurement technology based on accuracy and needs and conditions. Third, integration planning, that like ensure compatibility with the existing control systems and communication protocols. Other, I would say, leverage smart technology, like utilize IoT enabled devices for predictive maintenance and diagnostics.
Right, Saket. Those are some clear and practical strategies that can help buyers, to make some smarter decision. So now let's talk about some industry trends. Like, what are the key trends or development that you want to point out to our audience?
Yeah, certainly there are few key trends, like regional growth, like Asian countries gaining global market share, particularly China and India. Wireless adoptions, increasing use of wireless level measurement transmitters for remote monitoring. Third, advanced protocols like emerging communication standards like HART, Modbus, and Ethernet APL. And last, I would say predictive maintenance, like online diagnostic and smart sensors for operation reliability.
Right. So, in a way, you also agree the fact that these trends show how digitization and regional expansion are shaping the market, right?
Yeah.
So, let's wrap up to a final question to understanding what's the benefit of the study. How can buyers, whether suppliers, asset owners, or service providers, be benefited from this report?
Yeah, sure. So all the five reports, that is radar, hydrostatic, continuous ultrasonic, capacitance, and total level devices, provide valuable insights to suppliers, asset owners, and service providers in the level measurement industries. So suppliers can refine their strategies, asset owners can optimize operations, and service providers can expand offerings, ultimately leading to improved efficiency, cost savings, and competitive advantage. So yeah, these are the things.
Great insights, Aki. Thank you for breaking down the level measurement devices landscape. To our audience, thank you for tuning in today's episode. We hope this deep dive into the level measurement device market was insightful. Stay tuned for more discussions and for more episodes. Also, please visit our website, www.arcweb.com. And once again, thank you, Saket, for joining with us.
Thank you, sir.